In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Philips Roku TV in case you're having issues with it, or if you want to resell it and you don't want all your personal data to stay on the TV. Well, I'll show you how it's done. There's actually two different ways on how this could be done. So the first one is using the remote control. So if you don't have the remote control, or if your screen is completely frozen, well, skip to the second method I'll show you. So for the first method, take the remote, press the home button over here, okay? Then go on the left side menu all the way down where you see settings. From settings, again, we need to go all the way down where you see system. And from here, we need to go and select advanced system setting. Again, it's the last option. From here, we're gonna have factory reset, it's the first option. Press on this, select factory reset everything, and now on the right side we have to type a code, and the code is written right over here, 3491 for my TV, but in your case your TV will have a different code written over here, so you need to type this code over there. So let me do it quickly here. 3491, press OK, and now all you have to do is to select Start Factory Reset. This will delete everything, as I said, all the apps you downloaded. It will disconnect your Roku account from your Philips TV, and all your personal data will be gone. I won't do it now because I want to also show you a second way on how to do it. Usually it takes 2 minutes. Once you press this button, the TV will restart, and next thing you know, you're going to see the setup menu appearing on the display. Now, if again your TV screen is frozen or you don't have the remote, well, there's a second way on how to do it. You can do it with the TV turned on or off. Your TV needs to be turned on, and if I go on the back, right over here, you're going to notice there is a reset button down below. Right here, reset, and there's a pinhole. Inside of that pinhole there's a button deep inside. You will need a needle or a toothpick, something very thin, even a paper clip could work. All right, and you need to insert it in that small hole over there with the TV turned on again. Once you go inside that hole, you're gonna feel that there's a button. Keep that button pressed during at least 12 seconds. No matter what you see on the screen, this doesn't matter, keep it pressed 12 seconds and the factory reset will start. You need to make sure you have something small enough that goes in that hole and that you are able to feel that there is a button at the end that clicks. So this is another way on how it could be done. It doesn't take much time and you get the same result as in the first method I showed you. Overall, this is it. If you found this video helpful, please write a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.